Demand is just our rightful increment of our stipend. Like, we have been working in this pandemic situation tirelessly for last 1.5 years without any complaint and without any demand. But what saddened us the most is that our rightful needs, demands are denied again and again. Like in our last order, what we were expecting was a rightful increment of our stipend. But it is very sad to see that it is way too less than what we expected or what our demand was. So we have officially submitted a draft on 22nd of this month stating our dissatisfaction, and we have requested the authority to look into the matter. But it is of no avail, or we are not given any assurance regarding the same. So we have decided to stop all our non-emergency services till our demands are met, but continuing our emergency services and COVID services. We are hoping to withdraw this protest as soon as possible, given that our demands are met and we have positive affirmation and assurance from the concerned authority.
Good name.